Hey y'all, so it's been a long time since I put up a video and I apologize for that, just busy with a lot of different things. But today we're going to take a look at a follow-up review on my Presto Dehydro. Let me turn the camera around so you can see it. Presto Dehydro food dehydrator. My landlady gave me a whole box of apples. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. And she said, do something with them. They need to have something done with them before they go bad. So I said, well, why don't I dry a bunch? And she said, that'd be awesome. I was going to give her a bunch of dried apples. So over the last couple of days, I've done, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I think I've done either three or four full 4-tray loads. And I'll tell you, I love the dehydrator. It works great. I've done several different kinds of fruit. I've done several different kinds of jerky. If you check out that video up there, you'll see I even posted a fail how-to video on doing jackrabbit jerky. Thanks to the guy that pointed out a failed how-to video. Anyway, it's on there. I'm not afraid to show my failures in this, and hopefully I will learn and you guys will learn something as well. Don't know that I'm going to try jackrabbit jerky again. I never did get around to trying a different recipe to see if it would work. But anyway, today is, like I said, a re-review of the Presto Dehydro. Check out that video right there somewhere. A little over a year and a half ago, I did an unboxing and a test run on this and was really pleased with it then. I've used it numerous times since then. But I've never done a follow-up review like I do with some of the other reviews that I do. Just getting something out of the box and trying it, that's one thing. How does it perform after using it for a while is really where the real review comes in. And I can tell you, I'm very happy with this little beast. If I had any recommendation to Presto, that would be to have an option on here to put a timer. I don't know if they make a higher end model that has a timer in it. This one does not. Once you figure out your timing on a recipe that you're doing, it would be nice to just be able to put everything in, set the timer, go about your business, do your thing. When you come back to it, it's all done. So I went out and bought just your little basic hour timer. You know, it plugs into the wall, then your device plugs into it. I've found with these apples that between 4 and 4.5 hours does a really nice job. They come out plenty dry. They're going to store for a long time. I'll get a couple on there when I'm cleaning off the trays that are still a little bit soft. I just eat those right there. They're good. I like them. But today I have a recipe that I am trying, and I will do the finish of this video in actually sampling this. So what I did was, as you can see, I've got one empty tray. With these apples, using the larger and medium, it takes about 1.5 apples to fill a tray. If you're going to get this, I don't know if I already said this or not, I highly recommend you get the 4-pack tray expansion pack. I'm going to order one here really soon because I'm going to be drying up a bunch of different stuff, getting some jerky done here over the fall and into the winter. Hunting season is upon us. We're in muzzleload right now, which I'm not hunting muzzleload, but here in about another week we'll be back to all weapons. So we'll be out trying to get my deer and my bear and go from there. And hopefully I'll be able to show you some of those jerky recipe videos. But today's recipe, I took one medium and one small apple. I used, your basic peeler corer, and I just happened to have a little bit of my favorite bourbon left. I can see there's a sniff left in there. I had about an ounce and a half of bourbon left, so I just took, like I said, a medium and a small apple, poured some bourbon in over this, been tumbling it around for a while, hoping the apples would suck up some of it. But what I'm seeing in the bottom of this tray after about an hour of doing this is I got a yummy bourbon apple shot left once I put this on the tray. So let's get this put on the tray. Let's get this running, and it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna run for about 4.5 hours, and I will come back and share the finished results of my little recipe with you. All right, see you soon. All right, so before I actually start this thing and making a bunch of noise, I got to share something with you. I had a couple of apple slices left, wouldn't fit on the tray. Oh man, that's fucking good. Who wants a shot? Yeah, I'm gonna have to save the rest of that for later. I gotta go to work. All right, see you real soon. All right, y'all, so after about 4.5 hours of drying, I've got some nice apples here. These are the apples that were just plain apple. No sugar, no nothing on them. And then these apples are the ones that I soaked in a little bit of bourbon. These are real tasty. Some of them, well, I've eaten several of them. A couple of them you can actually really taste the bourbon. Some of them you don't taste the bourbon so much, but it tastes different than just the plain apple. You can see they got a little bit of color difference. Hopefully you can see that. If I do this again, I want to put a little bit more bourbon. I'm probably going to do a whole stack of trays. I got plenty of apples to do this again. So if you're checking out this video and you want to try something fun, do you some bourbon soaked apples. Pretty goddamn tasty. All right, thanks for watching my videos. If you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, be sure you hit that subscribe button. And the overall on this is the Presto Dehydro food dehydrator. I love the thing. Works great. I've used it for a lot of different stuff. I'll be using it for a lot more. All right, thanks for watching.